Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach about the ER diagram. So if you are a software developer, you must know what is ER diagram. Without ER diagram, we can't do the software project. In ER diagram is very important before you are make the software projects. Okay. So I have made the ER diagram. Consider about the Twitter jobs. Okay, the Twitter jobs portal, if you have no idea, you can go here, you can type Twitter jobs. Okay, I not even connect my internet. You can have idea what is a Twitter job. So here Twitter jobs mean, so you can hire the teacher online. Okay, student teacher will be able to post the job. So I am the max teacher who can able to post a job. Student also post the job, so I need a max teacher. Okay, so that's how the Twitter job is working. Student easily find their respective teacher. The teacher also can post the job. Okay, the teacher can find the bunch of students. So that's how that system will be works. Okay, so that's kind of system. When you are doing, consider about that kind of system. I made the ER diagram before you have to do the system. So first we have to identify the what are the actors are available that particular system. So the Twitter jobs, the student and teacher, those are the main actors of the system. Okay, so another one is an admin. Admin mean who is the admin mean? The person who control the system, the person who own the system. So I have developed the Twitter jobs management system. So I hosted into the internet. So that particular system, any instructor can join the system, any student can join the system. But I am the admin user. I can first the teacher who register the particular system. First I have to see the teachers, all the qualification and everything. After that I can verify the teacher. Okay, so after that student also the same thing. First I am going to review the student details. After that verify the students. Everything I can manage by the admin. Okay, the teacher also we can give some privileges. The student we are not student can't allow that kind of a privileges to student. The teacher can imagine teacher can assign the assignments, teacher can assign the exams, everything do by teacher only, not student. Okay, student can only view the exam paper, and student can view the exam result. Then the only thing student can do those kind of everything. We have to give this system. We can give the different privileges. Okay, so that we have to consider about the things before you make the software. What is the privileges give to this particular person, not what is the privileges not given to this particular person. Everything you have to identify before you have to going to do the software. Otherwise while you the middle of the software you get the struggling. You cannot do the software sorry, you cannot make the software well. So that we have to make the proper documentation. That is very important stuff. Without the documentation you have struggling the software. So these are the things very must you have before you have to implement the software. So you can see this that user consists of three: student, teacher and admin. So here you have to make it as a one user. You have to create the table on your database, only one table, which is user. This user table is all the roles, name, email address, all the things are the student is name, email, location, and phone. It's a common to every user, but there are some other things. This is the education and experience. This is the only field, only come to teacher. It's not come to the student. So we have to add those field as well. So here only one table you have to create it. This one table we have to, the user is a one table, you have to insert student and teacher and admin. Okay, so you have to additionally we have to create the role only here. So that is the efficient way to do the software. Okay, if you like, you can create separate, manage by separate tables. Student is a one table, teacher is a one table, and admin is a one table. But that is not an efficient way to do the software. The efficient way is to, you have to create one table user, you have to manage by the three different roles. Okay, so its meaning of in ER diagram is a relationship. User is a ISA means is a student, user is a teacher, user is a admin. Okay, yeah, you understand that. Okay, that is what is the point I have explained. This is very important stuff when you are making the software. Okay, so after that, right, now come to the main point. So here there is a Twitter job. This is job portal. After complete the registration, here we have a only thing, the user registration we have completed in this process. After complete the registration, what the next thing of the ER diagram? We have to go into the posted tutor jobs. Students also can post a tutor job. At the same time, teacher also can post a tutor jobs. Okay, admin is not doing anything else. He just manage the system and all. Only two persons are manage everything. Okay, so in order to do this, we have to do the relationship. So you can see teacher and tutor job. What is the relationship in between them? I have tell that many to many. So here we have tried bid. The many teacher can bid many tutor jobs. Okay, so you can see one teacher, you have to consider about one teacher can apply only one tutor jobs. No, there are many tutor jobs the teacher can offer. Okay, you can there at the same time you can look at that from the tutor jobs to teacher, from the teacher to teacher, only one teacher can apply, only one teacher can apply only one tutor job. No, one job can apply many teachers. If it is a max, there are students post one job as a max teacher. The max teacher, that particular job, there are many teacher can bid. Okay, so finalize, the student can identify which teacher is good for me and we can give the order. So the one tutor job can apply for many teachers. At the same time, many teacher can apply many tutor jobs. So many to many, one teacher can apply many tutor jobs. Okay, so one teacher can apply many tutor jobs. At the same time, the one job can apply many teachers. So many to many relationship. Understand that? First you have to take about this teacher. One teacher can apply many tutor jobs. Okay, so one teacher only can apply many the job. No, the one job we have a max teacher. That the one job the students posts as a max teacher I needed. That particular job can access plenty of teachers. Not only one teacher not to apply that job. There are plenty of teachers who join that system. All the teachers can teach the teacher who can teach max well. Those are all the teachers that can apply particular job. So many to many relationship. After the student and tutor job, what is the relationship? Here one student posts many tutor jobs. Okay, I am the one teacher, one student. I can post many tutor jobs, but student is one. Okay, students is one. Okay, if you go to that, the job student can post that. This job mean many student can post many job. That is not it. This is one student can post one job. So I am the student. I can post I need a max teacher, and I need a science teacher. I need a programming teacher. So the one student can post many tutor jobs. The tutor jobs, other hand, you have to look at the tutor from the tutor jobs to student. One student can apply many student jobs. Okay, this is how we have do the things. So another important part, review. What's a review? After the teacher done the course well, okay, student satisfy teachers, how the teachers perform, how the teachers explain. Okay, so that experiment at the end of the course, student leave the review. Okay, the review very important stuff. It can boost the teachers, enhance the teachers jobs. Okay, it can boost the teachers job, it can enhance the teachers jobs. Okay, so you can see the review. One teacher can one teacher can leave many reviews. The same thing, one student can leave many reviews. While the student can satisfy that teacher's explanation well, the student can leave many reviews. Okay, so at the same time the teacher also leave the many reviews, one teacher. Okay, but teacher is one. Okay, so that you can understand that simple stuff. Okay, that's the thing you have to do it. Right, another one is a proportion. That's very important stuff. Okay, the proportion means that tutor jobs are proportion. So that the teacher, one teacher can submit many job proportion. One teacher can submit many job proportion. We can do it. Okay, so here also the many proposal as one tutor jobs. You can understand that many proposal as one tutor jobs. So this is the simple ER diagram we have drawn. Okay, so we have to, this is the simple ER diagram we drawn. You just check it, everything you have understand. This is how that we have to make the system. Okay, this one all the things we are not considered about this. This one I have to remove them. This one we no needed. Only this thing you are considered about it. Okay, these are tables I have created here. Okay, so here you can do it. Okay, thank you for watching.